Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For you guys that are new here, hi, my name is Erika and I do videos on vlogs, hauls, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys 10 ideas to gift for your mans or your boo or your boyfriend. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video if this helped you guys. Valentine's Day is literally around the corner, so you know I always encourage everyone to just buy their gifts kind of early. I am here to help you guys and get you guys the best gifts that your boyfriend would love. So again, I'm gonna list 10 things, so let's just get started. So I wrote some ideas down on my phone and I'm gonna read them off to you guys. They just came to my head and I know that guys usually like these things. So I am going to start with number one is a cologne. So guys love to smell good, obviously, and you know, if you want to like surprise him, you could either like look around his room and see what cologne he uses. If you choose one for him and you like a scent for him, you know, I think that's actually cute too, because that just makes it more special. You could kind of just like ask him without being obvious and just like, oh, like what perfume are you wearing? You smell really good, or something like that, and just like, you know, go buy that perfume. Make sure to write it down. There's so many perfumes. It's the perfect Valentine's Day gift, and it's kind of like a romantic gift, so I think that's just really good. Also, if you guys want to like make it super cute, you guys can just like decorate your own bucket. You know, I've seen like a couple things on Pinterest and just put like his favorite things in the bucket and decorate it all cute. I think that's really cute too. So the second thing that I'm going to mention is food. So obviously guys love food, like love food. So there's like places that do like heart-shaped food, or I know that Chick-fil-A has that like nuggets that like are in a heart-shaped box, or even tacos like in a heart-shaped box. Like I think I did that one time for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day, and it was in a like, it was tacos in a heart-shaped box, and it was like a Valentine's Day special, and I got that for him and he loved it and I loved it too. I was about to take it myself. So you know, there's places that do those things, or you can just like order some like, I don't know, like heart-shaped cookies. Like get creative. You guys can see like on Instagram there's so many small businesses that do things like that, so you know, you can't go wrong with food. Number 3 is shoes. Make sure you know his size and kind of what style he likes. You can't go wrong with shoes. Everybody would want shoes in any occasion, so Valentine's Day is good. And what I like about shoes is that you can always kind of like price range shoes. Like there's shoes that are nice that are like under or maybe like $100, and then there's shoes that are really nice, obviously over $100, so you guys can just do your research and see what shoes he likes. Fourth is hoodies, and where usually Valentine's Day is like cold, like LA, hoodies is a perfect gift for Valentine's Day, and guys love hoodies. You get him a Nike hoodie, an Adidas hoodie, any hoodie, or from any store that he likes. Whatever you personally think would look good on him, you just go get that hoodie and give it to him, and I'm sure it would mean a lot to him. But you can't go wrong with hoodies. Honestly, even for girls, you can't go wrong with hoodies. So fifth gift idea is a hat. Boys wear hats all the time. Like I mentioned in my other video for Christmas, I mentioned hats too, because literally they love hats, and boys wear hats like they wear, like how we wear like jewelry. Like it's just like an accessory that just goes with the outfit, you know. So hats are like really good, especially if it's like from his favorite team that he likes, or you know, maybe he's shown you a hat that he's liked in the past. You could just go get that, and that'd be such a good gift for him. So the sixth thing I'm gonna mention is jewelry. Nice jewelry on Valentine's Day, you can't go wrong. I specifically chose a watch because watches are just really nice. It's a really nice gift, even for a girl, but watches are really nice, especially on a guy. There's so many nice watches to choose from that are like not too expensive, so you guys can just see like what watch would look best on him, or take him to the mall and just look around and just tell him, what watch would you want, you know, just nonchalant ask that question. At the malls there's just so many watches, and I always see some and I'm like, oh, this would look good on my boyfriend, or this would look good on him. So you know, I kind of just see. Or you could even ask him if he's wanting a watch, or you could get him an Apple Watch. An Apple Watch is really good too. But you know, for Valentine's Day, just a watch is a really good gift. earrings if he wears them, or a chain, anything like that, I'm sure he'll like. So number 7 is a controller for gamers. So if your man's is into gaming, I'm sure he'd appreciate a controller. So controllers aren't even that bad. I think they range to like $20 to $40 for a controller. I've even seen like people customize controllers, you know, so you know, that's always a good idea, especially if he's into video games. I'm sure he'd love it, and guys always need an extra controller, so you can't go wrong. 8th idea is a customized Yeti cup. So Yeti cups are really big right now. A lot of people use them, especially if you have a boyfriend that's like goes to work or goes to college. A Yeti cup is definitely a necessity, and you could customize it and put whatever you want in it, which makes it that more special. And I think that that is really useful, and that's something that he would use all the time or every day. So you guys can just check in the Yeti website, and I'm sure you could just customize it for like a little bit extra than with the original prices. So the 9th is headphones, and it could be earphones or headphones. Maybe you could get him some Beats. I have Beats and I use them for the gym, so if he's like into the gym, I would recommend Beats. I really like them. Or you could get them AirPods. AirPods are always a necessity, even if you're, especially if you're like working or going to school. That's when I usually used my AirPods when I used to go to school. I would just go on campus and just put them on and just like walk to class or talk on the phone with them, so you can't go wrong. And to work, you know, on break or something, you'd want to like use your headphones or hear music. So you know, you could just, depends like which headphone or earphone you'd want, you know, depending on your price, but you should definitely go with that. That would be a really good gift. And finally, the last item I'm going to mention is a wallet. And you guys, for Valentine's Day, you can't go wrong with a wallet. It's just like such a nice gift, and especially so many different kinds. Like I said, there's like nice Calvin Klein wallets, Gucci wallets, Louis wallets, whatever your price is, but a wallet is really nice. And again, it's something he could use every day. I think that's the key for guys, is like they want something where they could use a lot. So you know, if you get him like a teddy bear or like candy, it's like kind of just for them, or like it's like okay. So if you want to be a really good girlfriend, try to get them something that they would wear or use every day. I think that's the key. So just pay attention to those details, and I'm sure you guys will find a really good gift. And I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I could do other gift ideas. If you guys want me to do another video like this, just let me know. And good luck out there for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.